struggle to express your feelings in English?
Like when you're happy, sad, or frustrated, but don't know the right words?
Don't worry. Today we'll show you how to express your emotions naturally in English.
Real, everyday conversation you can use with confidence. Let's dive in.
Hey, Sarah. How are you feeling today? Honestly, I'm feeling great today. I had a good morning walk and some coffee.
That's awesome. You sound cheerful.
Thanks. What about you, Alex?
I'm a bit tired, but I'm in a good mood. It's been a busy week.
Oh, I get that. Sometimes being productive can be exhausting, but satisfying too.
Exactly. I'm feeling proud because I finished a big project yesterday.
Nice. It always feels amazing when you accomplish something.
Yeah, but last night I was so stressed before finishing it.
Oh, I know that feeling. Stress can really drain your energy.
Totally. But after it was done, I felt relieved.
That's the best part, when stress turns into satisfaction.
Speaking of feelings, do you often talk about your emotions in English?
I try to. It helps connect better with people. Saying I'm sad or I'm excited makes conversations real.
True. Sometimes learners stick to I'm fine all the time.
Yes, but it's more natural to use expressions like I'm thrilled or I'm disappointed.
Good point. For example, I was thrilled when my friend surprised me last week.
Aw, that's sweet. What did they do?
They baked me a cake for no reason.
Oh, that's adorable. I'd feel touched too.
What's a phrase you use when you're really happy?
Mm, I usually say I'm over the moon or I'm on cloud nine.
Nice. I love those. They sound so expressive.
What about you?
I say I'm pumped or I'm so excited when something great happens.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Sounds energetic.
It's perfect for informal conversations.
How about sadness? How do you express that naturally?
I'd say I'm feeling down or I'm a bit upset today.
That's gentle and real. Sometimes I say I'm not in the best mood.
Yeah, it sounds honest, but not too heavy.
Exactly. Or if I'm very sad, I might say I'm heartbroken.
That's deep, but sometimes that's the right word.
True. English gives you many shades to express emotions.
What about anger? How do you express that politely?
I'd say I'm really frustrated or that makes me upset.
Right, instead of shouting or being rude.
Exactly. You can sound calm but still express your feeling.
Sometimes I say, that really annoys me when something small goes wrong.
Same. It's a polite way to show irritation.
And when you're surprised,
I usually say, really? Or, you're kidding.
or no way, that's my favorite.
Yes, that's very natural in casual English.
You could also say, I can't believe it, when something shocks you.
Perfect. It sounds so natural and expressive.
How do you talk about being scared?
I'd say I'm a bit nervous or that freaks me out.
I like that. I sometimes say I'm terrified for strong fear.
Yes, or that gives me chills.
Perfect for horror movies.
Totally.
Let's talk about excitement.
Oh, my favorite. I say, I can't wait. Or, this is going to be amazing.
That's great. I say I'm so looking forward to it.
That's polite and natural, great for formal or casual talk.
Yeah, you can use it for travel, events, or anything fun.
Exactly.
Sometimes I don't feel anything extreme, just okay.
Right. You can say, I'm all right, or I'm doing okay.
Or not bad, which means kind of good.
Yes, English people love saying not bad.
It's funny because it means pretty good.
True. It's a polite middle ground.
What about when you feel tired but happy?
I'd say I'm exhausted, but it's worth it.
Nice. I often say, I'm tired but satisfied.
That's perfect for after work or a big day.
It shows mixed feelings naturally.
Yes, and that's how real people talk.
How do you comfort someone who's sad?
I usually say, I'm here for you, or it's okay to feel that way.
That's kind. I say, don't worry, things will get better.
Encouraging words make a big difference.
Definitely. Sometimes just listening helps.
Exactly. Words and empathy together matter.
Have you ever been embarrassed in English conversations?
Oh, yes. Once I said the wrong word and everyone laughed.
Oh, yeah. Same here. I felt so awkward.
I know, right? I said, I'm dying instead of I'm dying to try it.
Oh, no! That changes everything.
Totally. But now I can laugh about it.
That's the best part, learning from mistakes.
What about feeling grateful?
I love expressing gratitude. I say, I really appreciate it.
Me too. Or, that means a lot to me.
It feels good to say thank you, sincerely.
Yes, gratitude is a positive emotion to share.
What's your favorite emotion word in English?
Maybe content. It means peaceful and happy.
Oh, that's nice. I like motivated. It keeps me going.
That's a powerful one.
Yeah, it pushes me to improve every day.
So, Alex, what's one emotion you find hard to describe?
Maybe confusion? I never know how to express it properly.
You can say, I'm puzzled, or I'm a bit confused.
Ah, that's perfect. That sounds natural.
See? A few words can make a big difference.
That's what I love about English. It helps you connect emotionally.
Exactly. The more words you know, the better you can express your feelings.
Right. Instead of just, I'm fine, try being specific.
Yes. Say, I'm excited, I'm anxious, or I'm proud.
That's how you sound natural and confident.
So, everyone listening, start using these emotional expressions in your daily talk.
Yes, don't hide your feelings, express them clearly in English.
The more you practice, the more fluent and confident you'll sound.
Exactly. English is not just grammar, it's emotion, connection, and real life.
So, how are you feeling after this episode?
I'm feeling happy and inspired.
Me too. And I hope our listeners feel the same.
Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep expressing yourself.
See you in the next episode, friends.